Hi, today I'm for the Huawei MatePad SE and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the app gallery. That's why let's open the app gallery, and then in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to get, to continue, tap to download, and now just let's wait a couple of seconds while our application will download on our device. Now just click allow and tap to install. Now our application successfully installed, so let's click to open the app, tap to yes I agree, be close, tap to OK. Let's go back to the application, and now we can see here information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 26 degrees. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.